this opportunity. Indeed, the coronavirus situation has affected us in a very significant way. At the workplace, we have had to scale down our operations significantly, with about 75% of the staff working from home and the 25% working on shift here. This has been a real disruption because it has caused us to really pull up our business continuity processes and to find a different way of working. This has led to a situation where we are having a lot of online interactions, online meetings, and as a result, trying to ensure that we are able to meet our service requirements. Because in this moment, and being within the essential services sector, our commitment to ensure access to communication services, public services that are powered on the ICT platform, and access to emergency platform is a commitment that we have to live up to at this time. And we are able to do it. It's quite a bit of an adjustment, but we are on track.
As you just said, ICT is an essential service. How are you making it possible, especially now at a time like this? It's critical that the government, for instance, is able to disseminate information in the shortest time possible. It's critical, actually, to the function of the country in the face of the coronavirus. How is the Communications Authority working to make that possible?
Indeed, this season has really demonstrated how ICTs are at the backbone of supporting the fight against coronavirus. The ICTs have redefined how we are living, how we are transacting, buying goods and services, how our children are learning, because all the children are at home learning through TV, through computers, through the radio lessons. Indeed, these are the services that through our licensees we enable. I'm happy to report that the licensees have risen up to this situation to provide discounts here and there, to ensure availability of quality of service, to ensure adequacy of speeds that are now required, where parents and children alike are relying on the platform to work, to study, and the like. We also have reached out to another segment, the courier operators, encouraging provision of temporary lowering of tariffs to ensure that the movement of packages and packets is more affordable because of the heightened reliance of this on this platform, in the same way that the mobile operators have lowered the transaction fee for access to money on the mobile money platforms.
All right, so all these sectors have risen to the occasion, as you've said, but there are also those who are guilty of spreading misinformation. How are you dealing with those parties?
Yes, this I think is the sad part of it, and government has been very, very intent and strong about discouraging the issue of the spread of fake news. As you're aware, Kenyans are some of the highest users of social media platforms and technology worldwide. We rely heavily on radio, television, social media for information. And at this time, everyone wants to know what is happening in as granular detail as possible. And